There's really two reasons why you would super glue the base of your flux brushes. And number one is it's going to make them last longer because it's going to hold them together. But what we're trying to avoid is this. Let's see if this shows up. Got a bristle right there. It actually can cause it to leak. It can cause a stream. You wouldn't think it would with the heat and everything. And it's actually rare, but when you're working in a crawl space where it's dark and lighting is usually less than ideal, that's where you got to really be careful on this. Here's one that even stayed into the paste, into the flux. This is OD number 5 lead-free solder paste. These are considered pro grade, but we know what that means. They're from Amazon. 36 pack for $6. Very cheap, so it's worth super gluing them and the time it takes to do it if you can buy your super glue cheap. I'll put a link to the brushes in the description, but the super glue, I don't think you can beat Harbor Freight. This 3-pack, also you don't want super glue gel. You want something thin to run into that base. And I'll show you how I do it. I turn them over, just turn them over one time. Do one side, turn them over, put a drop on the other side, maybe 2 drops. But if they make a gel, it's going to be too thick to do it. This should be the thin stuff. The 3-pack at Harbor Freight, $1.99. Last week they were on sale for $1 off. So 99 cents you could get a 3-pack. Hard to beat that. Also, I wanted to point out one thing. This is a description. Pro grade 36 piece, 3/8 inch acid brush, BH. BH, believe it or not, stands for boar's hair. It specifically mentions that in the description on Amazon. But what I'm going to do is just pick one up. Looking at the camera to see if it's on there. And even though you do this, you still should be very vigilant and check your fittings. Don't put them down like that because it will run down and you'll lose all your flexibility. Leave the bristles in the air. You don't want that stuff running down. Just kind of ramp it up a little bit like that. But I think that's a heck of a deal on the brushes for the money. If you do have better idea on brushes, on quality and stuff, please don't hesitate to mention it in the comments. Hey, thanks for watching. Work safe out there. Have a good one.